president of Elite Worldwide. Thanks so much for joining us. Today I'm actually with a dear friend of mine, a fellow that owns a rock and roll business, Chris Monroe. Monroe Tire and Auto Service in Shelby, North Carolina.
Yes.
And this is a fellow that really has a profound understanding of business. Pleasure to work with him as a business development coach here at Elite. Chris, you had a tip for us about radios. Do you mind sharing it with your audience? I loved what you told me.
Absolutely, Bob. Thank you. In a big box store the other day, everybody's been in this situation. I set my package down, no barcode. Okay, now we got to go back and find another package. Nope. Lady reaches up, touches her collar, gets on the microphone, radios to somebody else, and immediately a higher price. Did my Visa card, I was gone, out the door, and I thought, wow, I think we can use this in our shop. So I go online, went to Amazon, I found, I think it's RevTech, I'm not really sure of the brand, multiple brands. 10 radios, bought them, brought them in the shop. Took a few weeks, everybody to get comfortable with them, but man, has it changed the dynamic of our business. Not only are we communicating better, we're having more fun, it's increased the culture in our business. Everybody's in the same room now. We're not all spread out. So, you know,
It's a do it, huh?
it's a do it.
It's a do it.
You got to do it.
There you go, guys. Look, you heard it from an industry superstar, so don't hesitate on this one. Take Chris's tip, put it to work. You're going to be thrilled with the results. That's a promise that I can make you. Thanks so much for joining us. Thank you for joining us as well.
Thanks, Bob.